Have you ever wondered what you should drink before bed if you have diabetes? Navigating the world of nutrition as a diabetic can be a challenging task. It's crucial to maintain a balanced diet. But what about those moments right before you drift off to sleep? Today, we're going to introduce a beverage that's not just comforting but also beneficial for those with diabetes. So, get ready to learn about this amazing bedtime drink and how it can help manage your blood sugar levels. Stay tuned as we dive into the details of this miraculous bedtime drink for diabetics. The drink that we're talking about is none other than the humble chamomile tea. Yes, you heard it right. This unassuming blend of delicate blossoms has been stealing the limelight in the wellness world for centuries. Chamomile tea, with its soothing aroma and calming flavor, is not just another bedtime brew. It's a popular choice among tea lovers around the globe and is often found nestled amongst other healthful beverages in the kitchen cupboards of wellness gurus. Commonly hailed for its sleep-inducing and stress-relieving properties, chamomile tea is a comforting companion after a long, demanding day. But did you know that this herbal infusion has more to offer? Yes, this gentle tea is a hidden treasure trove of health benefits, especially for those battling diabetes. Now you must be wondering, what makes this simple flower brew so special for diabetics? Well, sit back, relax, and let's explore why chamomile tea is beneficial for diabetics. Chamomile tea is not just a regular bedtime brew, it has a host of benefits, particularly for those managing diabetes. This soothing drink is more than just a calming nightcap. For those navigating the challenges of diabetes, chamomile tea can be a potent ally. Packed with flavonoids, it's a natural way to help balance blood sugar levels. But how does it work, you ask? Well, these flavonoids stimulate insulin production in the pancreas, which in turn helps regulate your blood sugar. So, sipping on this tea could potentially assist in maintaining a stable glucose level. But chamomile tea's benefits for diabetics don't stop at blood sugar regulation. It's also renowned for its ability to improve sleep quality. Why is this important for diabetics? Because sleep plays a crucial role in glucose metabolism. Poor sleep can disrupt this process, leading to higher blood sugar levels. Chamomile tea, with its gentle sedative properties, can help ensure a good night's sleep, positively impacting your glucose control. And let's not forget about stress. Living with diabetes can be stressful, and stress, as we know, can negatively impact blood sugar levels. Chamomile tea, often referred to as a relaxation in a cup, can help reduce stress and anxiety levels. It contains an antioxidant called apigenin that binds to specific receptors in your brain that may decrease anxiety and initiate sleep. So, from balancing blood sugar levels to promoting better sleep and reducing stress, chamomile tea is a multifaceted elixir for diabetics. It's a natural, inexpensive, and delicious way to help manage your diabetes. And the best part? It's easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Remember, while chamomile tea can complement your diabetes management, it's not a standalone treatment. Always consult your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. Now that we know why chamomile tea is beneficial, how about we learn to prepare it? To prepare chamomile tea, you only need a few simple ingredients. Let's start with the star of the show, chamomile. You can use fresh chamomile flowers if you have them, but chamomile tea bags will work just as well. Remember, the key to a good cup of tea is using high-quality ingredients. Next, you'll need fresh water. While it might seem trivial, using good quality water can significantly improve the taste of your tea. Consider using filtered or spring water for the best results. Now, let's talk about add-ins. These are completely optional but can enhance the flavor of your tea. A slice of fresh lemon can add a refreshing tang, while a spoonful of honey can lend a sweet note to your brew. Remember, it's all about personal preference here. Experiment with different add-ins to find what works best for you. With these ingredients ready, you're all set to prepare your bedtime brew. Preparing chamomile tea is as easy as it gets. Our journey begins with a journey to the pantry. You'll need a handful of items: chamomile flowers, hot water, a teapot or mug, a tea strainer if you're using loose flowers, and optional sweeteners like honey or lemon. Remember, if you're watching your sugar intake, these sweeteners should be used sparingly. Step 1. Measure out 1 tablespoon of chamomile flowers. These delicate blossoms are the heart of our tea, carrying all the calming and blood sugar regulating properties we're after. You can find them at your local health store or online. Step 2 involves the water. For a perfect cup of chamomile tea, the water temperature is key. You don't want boiling water, as it can destroy some of the flower's beneficial properties. Aim for hot water just below boiling point, around 90 degrees Celsius or 194 degrees Fahrenheit should do the trick. Now, for step 3, place your chamomile flowers into your teapot or mug. If you're using a teapot, make sure it's warmed up first by rinsing it out with some hot water. This helps to maintain the temperature of the water when you add it to the flowers. Step 4. Pour your hot water over the chamomile flowers. Fill your teapot or mug and let the magic happen. The hot water will coax out the essential oils and flavors from the flowers, turning your water into a delightful chamomile infusion. With step 5, we're stepping into the realm of patience. Let your tea steep. This means leaving it alone for around 5 to 10 minutes. The longer you leave it, the stronger the flavor and the greater the health benefits. And finally, step 6. If you've used loose flowers, you'll want to strain your tea into a different mug or directly into your cup if you've used a teapot with a strainer. For those who've used a tea bag, simply remove it. Now this is the moment where you may wish to add your optional sweeteners. A dash of honey or a squeeze of lemon can enhance the flavor. But remember, less is more when it comes to sugar. And there you have it, your perfect cup of chamomile tea is ready to be enjoyed. Sip slowly, savor the flavors, and take a moment to appreciate the health benefits you're gifting your body. Remember, good things come to those who tea. Now, you may be wondering, when is the best time to drink this tea? Well, let's delve into that. Chamomile tea, with its mild sedative effects, is often referred to as a sleep inducer. It contains an antioxidant called apigenin, which binds to certain receptors in your brain that may decrease anxiety and initiate sleep. So, it's no surprise that the best time to drink chamomile tea is before bedtime. But why exactly? Well, when you're preparing for sleep, you're not just ending your day, you're setting the stage for the next one. A good night's sleep is instrumental for the body's regeneration and repair. And for folks dealing with diabetes, this is particularly important. During sleep, the body's insulin sensitivity increases, and this is beneficial for blood sugar control. By drinking chamomile tea before bed, you are not only encouraging a restful night's sleep, but also aiding your body's natural processes in maintaining blood sugar levels. Moreover, chamomile tea helps with digestion. Consuming it after dinner and before bedtime can soothe your stomach and support better digestion during the night. This can be an extra boon for those who have diabetes, as it aids in the breakdown and absorption of nutrients, potentially reducing the risk of blood sugar spikes. But remember, consistency is key. Make it a nightly routine, and over time, you'll notice the benefits. The gentle, calming nature of chamomile tea can help unwind the stress of the day, preparing you for a restful night's sleep, while subtly supporting your body's fight against diabetes. It's not a magic potion, but a tool in your wellness toolbox. By incorporating chamomile tea into your bedtime routine, you're taking another step towards better health. So make sure to incorporate this beneficial brew into your nightly routine. Because after all, the best time to drink chamomile tea is when it can work its wonders while you rest, setting you up for success when you wake. While chamomile tea is generally safe, there are a few considerations to keep in mind. When it comes to health and wellness, there's no such thing as a one-size-fits-all solution. Just as different bodies respond differently to food and exercise, the same is true for natural remedies like chamomile tea. Here are a few things you might want to consider. Firstly, while chamomile is a natural herb, it can cause allergic reactions in some people, especially those who are allergic to plants in the daisy family. Symptoms can range from skin rashes to throat swelling. If you notice any unusual symptoms after drinking chamomile tea, it's critical to seek immediate medical attention. Secondly, chamomile tea can interact with certain medications. For instance, it may heighten the effects of blood-thinning drugs, which could increase the risk of bleeding. It can also interact with sedatives, blood pressure medications, and diabetes medicines. So if you're on any medication, it's essential to discuss this with your healthcare provider before incorporating chamomile tea into your routine. Thirdly, while it may be tempting to replace your prescribed diabetes medication with chamomile tea, remember that it's meant to complement your treatment, not replace it. Chamomile tea can help manage your blood sugar levels, but it's not a substitute for your prescribed treatment plan. Lastly, remember that everyone's body is unique. What works wonders for one person might not have the same effect on another. So, while chamomile tea has numerous potential benefits, it's important to listen to your body and adjust your habits accordingly. And of course, a gentle reminder, always consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new dietary regimen. They can provide guidance based on your individual health status and needs, ensuring that you're making safe and healthy choices. In conclusion, while chamomile tea is a fantastic natural remedy with potential benefits for people with diabetes, it's important to approach it with a mindful eye. Consider potential side effects, interactions with other medications, and the importance of individualized healthcare. Remember, your health is your wealth, so always take precautions. So, there you have it, a simple and beneficial bedtime drink for those managing diabetes. As we've journeyed through the world of chamomile tea, we've discovered its remarkable benefits, especially for those dealing with diabetes. We've seen how this humble flower, steeped in hot water, can have such a profound impact on our bodies, helping to regulate blood sugar levels and promote better sleep. Chamomile tea, a drink that has been around for centuries, is a powerhouse of health benefits. Its properties are not just restricted to calming our minds or inducing sleep, but it also plays a significant role in diabetes management. The magic lies in its ability to lower blood sugar levels and increase insulin sensitivity, both crucial for those living with diabetes. We've also learned how to prepare chamomile tea, a simple process that takes just a few minutes. All you need are dried chamomile flowers and hot water. Remember, quality matters. So always opt for organic chamomile flowers, if possible. And of course, the best time to drink chamomile tea is before bedtime. This not only helps you unwind from the day, but also optimizes its benefits for blood sugar regulation. However, it's crucial to remember that while chamomile tea can be a helpful tool in your diabetes management toolbox, it's not a standalone solution. It's one piece of a larger puzzle that includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, and, if necessary, medication. And as always, it's essential to consult your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet or routine, even when it comes to natural remedies like chamomile tea. Everyone's body is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. So, why not share this knowledge? Pass on the benefits of chamomile tea to your friends, family, and anyone else who might find it helpful. After all, the more people know about the natural ways to manage diabetes, the better. In conclusion, managing diabetes is not a destination, but rather a journey. Every small step you take, every healthy choice you make, contributes to your overall well-being. And including chamomile tea in your nightly routine can be one of those positive steps. Remember, managing diabetes is a journey, and every step, including what you drink before bed, counts. Until next time, stay healthy and take care.